Hi everyone. I just harvested this beautiful head of broccoli from my garden, and this is most likely what you will buy in the grocery store when you buy a head of broccoli. Just a top with the florets. There might be a few leaves on it. But for every head of broccoli that you buy or that you pick in your garden, this goes to waste. There's a lot more food on the broccoli plant than just a broccoli head. Actually, this is my least favorite part, to tell you the truth. I love the broccoli stems. These are my favorite, so I cut them all up, and these are the stems that are from the leaf part, as well as the stems that are from the large main stem. Now, I do cut some of the outer woody part off, but this is a very sweet flavor, and it's excellent in stir fries or salads. You can just crunch on it like it is. The most delicious part, in my opinion, of the broccoli. So don't let that go to waste, especially if you're growing it yourself. Then there's the leaves. People have spinach, chard, all different types of greens as a side dish, and broccoli leaves are just as delicious. This is a huge bowl of leaves chopped up that came from this one broccoli plant. So don't let food go to waste. When you're harvesting your broccoli, make sure that you get the leaves and the stems. And perhaps if you are buying directly from a farmer, you can ask them just to leave all the leaves and the stems and everything on there. And maybe they'd be more than happy to do it. If you're buying direct from the farm on our farm stand, it'd be less labor for them. And you'll get a lot more food out of it. So give it a try. Broccoli stems are absolutely delicious. So are the leaves. And so are the florets.